Hey, I'm here at my latest listing at 9517 Voyager Vista up in Oak Point, Texas. This is the Wild Ridge subdivision. It is a fantastic neighborhood. Let me take you on a tour and see what you can get for $575,000. Let's go look.
This Highland home radiates warmth and charm, inviting you to experience the perfect blend of elegance and comfort. Prepare to be dazzled by the heart of this home, a spacious kitchen adorned with gleaming stainless steel appliances and a sprawling granite island. Sunlight dances through the plantation shutters, infusing every corner with natural light and sophistication. The inviting eating kitchen area is the ideal spot for relaxed family meals and with community amenities that include a resort-like pool, two catch-and-release ponds, playgrounds, miles and miles of biking and hiking trails, every day feels like a vacation. Convenience is key with walking access to Lake Lewisville as well as the elementary school just mere footsteps away. This four-bedroom, three-bath sanctuary offers the ultimate trifecta of space, style, and functionality. Don't forget to join us Saturday, March 30th from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. at our open house. See you soon.